Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project Shapoorji Pallonji new launch by Shapoorji Pallonji located in Santa Cruz East. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project. Right over here, this over here is the actual land parcel of the project where the construction will soon begin. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms, if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now, speaking of the project overview, this project is constructed on the land parcel of 0.5 acre that will have one tower of 4 basements, ground, 14 floors and rooftop level. That will include 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK residences. And now, before getting into the location and connectivity, let me tell you that we are standing at the actual location of the project. You can have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. From the right of the project, you can go towards Santa Cruz railway station, and from the left, you can go towards the Western Express Highway. Speaking of location and connectivity, the project is located at Prabhat Colony, Santa Cruz East, from where you have Western Express Highway at a distance of 200 meters, Santa Cruz railway station at a distance of 100 meters, domestic airport at a distance of 10 minutes and international airport at a distance of 15 minutes from the project. Speaking of amenities, that will include a gym, jogging track, indoor games, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now, speaking of the configurations and the carpet areas, as said, this project has 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK residences, with 2 BHK in the carpet area of 700 to 850 square feet, 3 BHK in the carpet area of 900 to 1350 square feet and 4 BHK in the carpet area of 1600 plus square feet. Speaking of the booking process, the booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying an EOI amount of 5.4 lakh for 2 BHK, 7.2 lakh for 3 BHK and 9 lakhs for 4 BHK. So everyone, this was the teaser of Shapoorji Pallonji new launch located in Santa Cruz East, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.